Let's talk about Python. What is it, how does it work, and how you can get started today. All of that and more in 2 minutes. Start the timer. Python is a prevalent general-purpose programming language often used for machine learning and data analysis. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and was first released on February 20th, 1991. This language is so influential that in 1999 the Zen of Python was released, which is a guiding set of principles for using Python in the utmost Mr. Miyagi way. There are numerous reasons why this language is hotter than the Backstreet Boys were in 1997. The first being that Python is very readable, like it states in the Zen of Python. Simple is better than complex, and that's exactly what the language mirrors. Python can also handle a multitude of different jobs, from machine learning to data analytics, web development, testing, and so on. There is no need to debate how great this language is. But how can we use it? You can download Python on the official Getting Started with Python page. Once downloaded, creating a file with Python is as easy as naming the file and ending it with .py. These files are also referred to as modules. Then all you need to do is print hello world, and there you go. You can brag to all your friends that you are the next Bill Gates. You have probably heard of interpreted versus compiled, right? Well, Python is an interpreted language, which means the source code is converted into bytecode that is then executed by the Python virtual machine. This equates to Python being extremely fast to develop, but not so fast during the execution step since the code is not directly compiled and executed. But why should we learn Python? Probably the most important answer to that is just how beginner friendly the language is. If you're brand new to web development, my recommendation is either learn Python or JavaScript. You can't go wrong with either. As we mentioned before, Python is also extremely versatile. You can do so many different tasks with just one language. Lastly, Python developers are extremely in demand. There are 36,000 job postings on ZipRecruiter at this current moment for entry-level Python developers. If you want to learn Python and fully master one of the most relevant languages in the world of development, check out Zero to Mastery's complete Python Developer Bootcamp course, where you'll go from beginner to expert.